Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. I am beyond excited for today's video because we're going to be doing a hair tutorial. I used to do these all the time and I totally got out of the habit of it. So today we're going to be creating a festival themed hairstyle. As you guys know, it is festival season. So I have these really cool sprays we're going to be trying out today. This video is sponsored by Hush Beauty. These are the Hush Prism sprays back here. Look at all those colors. There are actually 7 colors for you to try in your hair. And what's even better is I have a giveaway for you guys where you can win all 7 shades. So make sure you stay tuned for details on my giveaway. So first off, of course, you're going to want to start with clean, fresh hair to work on. So I washed my hair, I blow dried it, and now we're going to start on the hairstyle. So I think I kind of want to do like a mohawk braid type of situation. So honestly, just with my fingernails, I'm going to part out my hair, try to get a pretty straight line, just like that. Recreating the same line on this side, just like so. So I just pulled back all that hair that's not going to be in our braid so we don't pick any of it up. Now real quick, give this a nice little brush through and we can start our braiding process. Now if you know how to do something like cornrowing, that would be super cool. In cosmetology school, it was like the one thing I could not learn for the life of me. I could never figure it out. So if you know how, God bless. But I'm just going to do kind of like a basic little mini French braid all the way back. So I might fast forward through this part just because it does take me a little while to braid. I'm not a hair expert for sure, but that's the fun thing about these Hush Prism sprays. You don't have to be a professional to use them. They are super duper easy and you can actually just get them at Sephora, which is awesome. Just like so. So we have our braid. I'm then going to take my hair tie. We're actually just going to seal that up like that. And then you can kind of tug on it and pull on it to manipulate the style that you're going to want. Just like so. And then from here, I'll simply take bobby pins. Now we're just going to pin it in place. So you want to attach the messy bun hair to your hair that's just kind of braided and on your scalp still. And this is where we can kind of manipulate it and get it to lay a little bit better so it's not just like poking up all funny like that. So I just kind of push it down and then pin it straight through. So as I was telling you guys before, they actually have 7 shades. So I'm going to show you the colors here so you can actually get an idea for it. The first shade is called Malibu Pink. It is a beautiful pink. The next shade is Antique Red. This is the one I think I really want to use. We're going to use a few, but this one definitely. The next shade is Amethyst Haze, a beautiful purple. Then we have Teal Breeze, which again is just a beautiful teal. Next we have Blue Moon, which also I'm crazy about this color. There is Tin Woman, which I love that name. Instead of Tin Man, they did Tin Woman. Super cool metallic silver. And then the last shade they have is Lemon Drop, which is a beautiful yellow. I'm just so drawn to reds. I think it'll really go with my look today. I have these big red earrings on. I have a red lip, so I think this would be perfect for part of it. Now these are very easy to use. All you're going to do is go ahead and give it a good shake. As you can see, it is in a spray form. It has a little nozzle there. So you want to give it a good shake before you use it. From here, you're going to want to hold it 7 to 10 inches away from your head. This way it'll go with a really nice even flow. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm like trying to measure it up to my little mohawk here perfectly. We're going to go ahead and start spraying. I mean, this is so cool. You can see it has like a really gorgeous metallic shine. Look at that. It is powerful. It is super duper cool. We go all the way up onto our little messy bun. Be sure to get the back of it. I mean, just like that. And that is cool enough by itself. I love just having that pop of color on top. We're not quite done yet though. Let's add a few curls to our hair and then really mix up some color in here. So really quick, I'm just gonna take a curling wand and add in some nice chunky waves. So while I'm curling my hair, let me tell you guys about the giveaway. I am so excited for this. You can win all 7 colors of the Hush spray and there will be 1 lucky winner. So look in my description box below for the link to enter the Hush giveaway. The giveaway will end on April 30th. And of course, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. If you cannot wait for the giveaway, you need to check these out now. They are available at Sephora. I do have a link for them in the bottom box down below. All right, so now that we're done curling our hair, let's just kind of shake it out a bit. Loosen those curls up so we have a nice wave. Now personally, I love the hair just like this. Like I think this is awesome, but I want to add a little bit more. Okay, I think I want to ombre a bit with the red a little bit more. I'm going to bring the red a little bit farther down my hair. From here to help create our ombre effect, I want to add in some of the Malibu Pink shade. Now if you're worried about getting it on your hands or on your clothes, they recommend kind of placing a brush and spraying like that. I like to use a paper towel, but again, if it does get on your hands or whatever, it washes right off, so it's totally easy. But I'm just going to take a little patch of hair. We'll start right here and just start spraying. You guys know the drill by now. Oh! I love, 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 love that color. I mean, it's just so freaking fun. Like, look at this. This is perfect for any festivals. I love the metallic sheen it gives. It is so pretty. I just love that. I think that is so cool. So let's finish off the other side. This is making me want to color my hair, like, for real though. I love how they fade together so nicely. Like, they truly work together beautifully. I could stop here, like, I love it, but I just want a little bit more. So I just want to add this one in kind of like little highlights. Oh my gosh, this is like straight up galaxy hair. This is so cool. I'm gonna go a little bit underneath so we have some peeking through. Isn't that awesome? Do you see the shine? It is so beautiful. So this here is the finished look. What do you guys think? I think this is the most perfect festival hair. Look how it just cascades into this beautiful pink with the silver highlights. Like, I just feel like a straight up galaxy woman right now. I feel like a magical unicorn galaxy festival loving woman. I'm so curious to hear what shade you would like to try. Would it be the pink, the silver, the teal, the blue? I really want to do the teal and blue next. I think I'm going to use these in a few more videos. Of course, you guys, let me know your thoughts. What was your favorite shade I showed you here today? If you're going to be picking any of these up, definitely let me know which one. Also, don't forget to enter my giveaway. You guys can win all 7 cans. There will be one lucky winner, and again, it ends on April 30th. If you cannot wait that long, go ahead and pick these up at Sephora. I will link them in the bottom box down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and also head over to my Instagram if you want to see these in an actual photo. I'm going to be posting a photo. I'm going to take it right now and show you guys how it looks in pictures, because I think that's obviously really important. If you're going to a festival, you're going to be taking some selfies. You want to make sure it looks good. I'm going to go take a picture right now. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I love you so much, and I'll talk to you again very soon. Bye!